Latest outlook from the Storm Prediction Center for Wednesday looks like this. We still have that slight risk of strong to severe thunderstorms, especially in our northeastern most areas. That's a level 2 out of 5, which means a few strong to severe thunderstorms are possible. The marginal risk in the green is a level 1 out of 5. Again, the threat stays mainly in northern areas, the I-20 corridor into the north, with the greatest threat the closer you get to the tri-point of Arkansas, Texas, and Louisiana. But as we head into your Wednesday, here's a look at the breakdown of the severe weather threats. 60-mile-per-hour wind gusts and then hail up to the size of ping pong balls is the primary concern for us with these storms that do develop on Wednesday. Tornado threat is pretty low with these storms, although they cannot be entirely ruled out, especially within that slight risk area. Now, heading into the day on Thursday, a much greater severe weather threat will develop between 2 o'clock in the afternoon till 2 o'clock in the morning. Friday is when that threat will be, but that timing will be narrowed down a bit as we get closer to the event here. But this is a level 3 out of 5, which means numerous severe thunderstorms are possible for us. 60 to 70 plus mile per hour straight line wind gusts will be the primary concern, as we are most likely to get a squall line moving on through. If we get isolated supercells developing out ahead of the squall line, then tornadoes and large hail will become a great concern as well, including the potential for some strong tornadoes, which would be EF2 or stronger. Flash flooding threat is low but can't be ruled out. As with most thunderstorms, we'll have some very heavy rain, and that could lead to some ponding on the roadways. 3 o'clock in the afternoon today, we'll see those highs climbing to the low to mid 80s with mostly sunny skies. The clouds will increase tonight. We could see a few passing showers, maybe a thunderstorm Wednesday morning if a storm does develop, capable of having small hail, but should stay below severe criteria. But as we head into your Wednesday afternoon, we'll see additional cells developing, and it's during the afternoon when we have more instability, when we will have a risk of some strong to severe thunderstorms. But that threat comes to an end by 6, 7 o'clock in the evening. Will be dry overnight for the most part, but more showers and storms develop heading into Thursday. By 1 o'clock in the afternoon, we'll be tracking this isolated activity developing out ahead of the main line of thunderstorms that will be pushing through the area Thursday evening. Now, Futurecast, interestingly enough, weakens the line as it moves on through. Definitely hope that happens, but it's unlikely because of the amount of instability and wind shear that will be in the atmosphere. Now,